Hello everybody, Striking Viking here, along with your intrepid correspondent, the Trippin' Sister. And we have news.
Yes, we do.
If you look underneath this piece of plastic, you will see serrano peppers, collard greens, just about collard greens, Swiss chard, and beans starting to sprout. As a matter of fact, this one is going crazy over there.
I think I might have planted the other ones a little bit far down in there. Anyway.
In any case, yeah, we have these ones planted. They're starters. And the sister will be taking care of those. So I'm going to put their hat back on now.
Yeah, they'll stay under there until they get much taller and much stronger. And then they'll be transported outside. But in the meantime, we want to take you outside and show you the finished product of our little gateway yesterday. So let's go outside and look at that.
So we have a piece of cord here. And
the Viking gate. So we can walk in, there's plenty of room. We can get the wheelbarrow through. All of our potatoes are out here undercover growing, and all of our onions. And our ginger, where'd the ginger go? Oh, the ginger right there. Horseradish over there, which I showed y'all. So here, in this space right here, we're going to put some corn and tomatoes. And over here, we're going to have bush beans. And here, we're going to have some pole beans. We're going to have to reinforce this wire mesh here in order to have the beans grow up the mesh. And I can't remember what all else I have, but I have it on a diagram that I'm going to use to plant stuff, and got my stuff over there to make our soil with. Mr. Viking did a fairly good job, although there's a big old gap up here. I hope don't no critter decide they're just going to walk through or squeeze themselves through like a squirrel or something. So hopefully we can tighten that up somehow. And that is the finished product. Well, it's not exactly finished. What we're going to do as the stuff starts getting taller, we're going to put some stakes on the end of here, or sticks rather, and throw netting over it. Right now, we're getting ready to go to where are we going? Atwoods or Tractor Supply or somewhere, because in this area we're going to put our chicken coop. So I'll be raising chickens. Lord have mercy. Oh my goodness. See, this is what happens when immigration don't get back to you. You just be finding stuff to do. So we're going to get about 4 or 5 chickens, and we're going to go and pick up the supplies that we need to build the house, the coop. Put it right here so it's close to the house, because as you can see, we're open to the laneway back here, and I don't want somebody just stealing my eggs. So we're going to put it here, and which is plenty of space. And also because in the winter time I have electric power out here, so I don't know if you can see that or not, but I have electric power out here, and the water supply is right here. So that'll be good for keeping the coop clean and making sure the chickens have water and being able to harvest the eggs without having to walk clear across the yard and all that good stuff. So anyhow,
the most important thing to remember is
keep tripping till next time. We'll keep you guys updated.